Papacito, sit back. Back. Are you excited? What sound does the horse make? Yeehaw!
That's good?
Yes. That's so cool. Look at that, Oliver. Oh, beautiful. What color is the horse? It's black. It's a beautiful black horse. Wow, look at that Christmas tree. You love it, Oliver? Isn't it awesome? Look at the bell. Oh, Lord. I don't know, what's another color? Wow, what a big horse.